Welcome to Quizific. Are you ready?
This is the ultimate dog breed quiz, from easy to hard mode. Don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes. Let's get started. This breed is famous for its wrinkled face and bat-like ears. French Bulldog. Known for retrieving ducks, this breed is friendly and loves water. Labrador Retriever. Often seen in agility competitions. This breed is intelligent and energetic. Australian Shepherd. This protective breed is often used in police and military roles. German Shepherd. Famous for their curly coat, this breed excels in obedience competitions. Poodle. This breed has a distinctive pushed-in nose and thick folds of skin around the face. Bulldog. This tiny breed from Mexico is the smallest dog breed in the world and is known for being spirited and lively. Chihuahua. This lapdog has a long, flowing coat and was originally bred for royalty. Shih Tzu. Known for their loud howl, this breed is great for tracking. Beagle. This muscular dog was originally bred for guarding and herding. Rottweiler. This small dog was bred for catching rats in mines. Yorkshire Terrier. This breed is known for its playful, clown-like personality. Boxer. Recognized for its long body and short legs, often called a wiener dog. Dachshund. This herding dog has a distinctive short stature and big personality. Pembroke Welsh Corgi. Known for pulling sleds, this breed has a thick double coat. Siberian Husky. Small, fluffy, and often associated with royal families. Pomeranian. Recognized by its tuxedo-like coat and friendly demeanor. Boston Terrier. Known for its loyalty and protective instincts. Doberman Pinscher. An extremely large domestic dog of Mastiff Sighthound type, known for its big size. Great Dane. This small breed is known for its big bark and protective nature. Miniature Pinscher. Notable for its fluffy double-layer coat, which is naturally dirt repellent. This breed has a friendly and agreeable disposition. Samoyed. A working dog known for its strength, used in pulling and herding. Saint Bernard. A loyal, ancient breed from China, known for its distinctive blue-black tongue. Chow Chow. Known for its intelligence, agility, and used for herding and competitive sports. Border Collie. This breed from Scotland is known for its hunting ability and weather-resistant coat. Scottish Terrier. This breed is tall, muscular, smooth-coated, and recognized for its speed. Greyhound. This breed from Hungary has a unique, long, thick coat that forms flocks. Bergamasco. Known for hunting puffins, this Norwegian dog has extra toes. Norwegian Lundehund. This Japanese breed is alert, agile, and handles mountainous terrain very well. Shiba Inu. Intelligent, agile, and versatile rare breed from Spain, thrives in active environments. Gosdatura Catala. This breed with a curly coat is from Italy, and it specializes in truffle hunting. Lagotto Romagnolo. An ancient breed from Egypt, known for its silence and yodel-like bark. Basenji. This well-muscled, short-legged breed from the Czech Republic has a distinctive beard. Český Terrier. A rare French breed with a unique weatherproof rough coat, known for their smile. Berger Picard. This Russian breed is small, sturdy, and has a short, tight, silky coat with feathering on the ears and legs. Russian Spaniel. This breed from Sweden has a unique wolf-like appearance. Jampund. A rare sighthound from Sicily, known for hunting rabbits. Cirneco de Letna. From the Netherlands, this breed is known for its hunting prowess. Stabbyhone. A rare breed from the UK, used for hunting otters, now nearly extinct. Otterhound. This small, energetic, and agile Hungarian dog is known for controlling rodents. Moody. Known for its unique reverse coat pattern, this breed comes from Thailand. Thai Ridgeback. An ancient, hairless breed from Mexico, recognized for its calm and attentive temperament. Xoloitzcuintli. This breed from Portugal has lived in the mountains for centuries and is a formidable opponent for any predator. Estrela Mountain Dog. A rare German breed, highly skilled in search, rescue, and tracking. Hovawart. This breed from New Guinea has a unique howling sound, like singing. New Guinea Singing Dog. the only living breed of dog indigenous to its country, known for its candle flame-shaped ears and hairless coat. Peruvian hairless dog. This rare sled dog, known for its endurance, is New Hampshire's official state dog. Chinook. A sighthound from Africa, this breed is slim, elegant, and known for its speed. Azawakh. This breed is known for its ability to drive reluctant cattle to travel long distances. Australian cattle dog. A hunting dog on both land and water with a distinctive pointing stance. German short-haired pointer. How many did you get right? Comment down below and we will congratulate you. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes.